thumbnail.
Hat, Caleb.
Thanks, buddy. I like your hat.
Thanks,
I
Caleb.
like your glasses.
Thanks, Caleb. Carson!
You gotta be way more lively if you're looking for a thumbnail.
Oh, okay.
You have to be way more amped and ready to go.
Okay,
This is not gonna cut it, man.
I'm sorry.
It's not gonna get there.
Sorry, I just couldn't sleep last night. I was too excited for camp.
Aw, that's kinda cute.
Yeah.
Hey, Carson! Hello. I was dead on. Oh my!
Fumble!
Yep. Here we go. We got him.
Kennedy! Fumble!
Dude.
It's a milestone.
What?
The last time I went to Bojangles was 2 days ago, but I hadn't eaten there for 7 years.
7 years.
Treat me like disgusting.
How old are you? What?
How old are you?
What?
He's 17.
What did you say? He what?
He ordered one. I didn't, bro. I will give you. Yeah,
You look happy.
you gotta fly the Big Macs, bro. I will give you $3 if you put me in the thumbnail.
$3? Yeah, it's gonna be a lot more than that. That's an expensive thumbnail, my friend.
43.
$43?
I need a picture.
Huh?
I need a picture.
You need a picture of what?
My face.
Your face?
Beauty.
That's pretty nice. Your hair looks nice today. Not.
Biscuit yelled at us. She goes, well, y'all are walking in our parking lot. Why aren't you gonna eat our food? And I go, I'm not a biscuit person.
That was cool. That was
Wait,
cool.
Everybody!
I'm fine.
Wait, do it again. Hey, he's about to say how you're doing, and we're gonna scream really loud, okay? Okay, do it again, here we go.
How are we doing, everybody?
What's the #1 thing you're looking forward to?
Growing closer to God.
Oh! What's the #1 thing you're looking forward to, Bailey?
What?
What's the #1 thing you're looking forward
Worship! Yeah! I'm so happy.
Someone left a cup back there.
So random.
That pumping spirit. Let's go, guys.
Let's get that pumping spirit, guys.
Force! Everybody love each other. Can we get a review of the shirt?
I love it.
It's kind of nice, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, I like the shirt too.
I love it. It's like a
Do you like the shirt over your hoodie?
Yeah.
Are you dying? Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Let's start. Oh, that is close. Oh, did I? Oh! Good throw. Oh my gosh, you're gonna be. Dude, look at his eyes right now.
I know, bro. He's so locked in. Nobody's stopping that guy right now.
All right, let's see it. Oh no! All right,
Doesn't stand a chance. Oh my god.
this guy is insane.
No way. I'll give you $20.
Another witness.
No, it is not.
Post-game interview, how does it feel to be Jake Justice?
He just, dude, he only has 2. Dude, ball game. Oh no, you're. Hey, who's with it? Let's see it. Flex
cry.
Hey, besties! I thought we were best friends. I said, hey, bestie! That's what I like to hear. That one more time. Rich Chris.
You have a bestie!
How are you? Wait, you said what? Y'all don't understand? Y'all don't speak chicken?
I mean, that failed miserably.
Yeah. I didn't know chickens hop like bunnies.
That
That was new.
So, I'll be